Hi friends, this is Katie from the Parish Group here with another edition of the Slate 101 series. Today, we are going to learn about how to invite students to an upcoming high school visit at their school. This is part of our series about making configurable joins feel more accessible. If there are configurable joins that you're struggling to build that you could easily access in the local base, feel free to reach out in the comments to be highlighted in a future video. We're going to start on a person base and then start a subquery filter. We're going to name it Upcoming Event. And then we're going to join from person to school by level of study, rank, and make sure that we are selecting the rank 1 high school. From school by level of study, we're going to join to organizations, and then from organizations to form by location record. Important filters are going to be to look for the template of an off-campus high school visit and to make sure that the start date is greater than today. I would also make sure that the event is confirmed. Because this is an invitation, there are other filters to be considered here. You may want to include start terms for students to target juniors and seniors. You may want to remove students who have already registered. And you may want to look for their student type of being first year, just as a few examples. For our exports, there are a few important ones to grab in addition to name and email. We want this message to look like a very personalized call to action. One easy step here is to take our filter and begin by copying and pasting it as an export so that we do not need to recreate our joins. The most important export is going to be URL to create the link for students to click to register. I would also recommend pulling in things like form title, depending on your institution naming conventions, in order to reference the school name. I also like start date time with the format mask. I would start with start date and a format mask of a single capital D. I would copy that and change the mask to be HH:MMTT for the time. You can additionally join from form by location record to user in order to personalize the message from the staff member who will be attending the visit. And make sure to not forget your person GUID for your query string parameters. I hope that this helps with your work travel. The Parish Group is a Slate Platinum partner, and we'd love to help you implement, audit, or optimize your instance. Reach out at success@parishgroup.com or call us at 828-505-3000.